There's a universe inside you, so won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling, unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you, you should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you, please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you, inside you. Inside you, so much more than people know. I've seen you fighting your emotion, I hope you stay and won't let go. There's a universe inside you, so much love to leave behind. Stop the path of devastation, you should live for all the hype. Inside you, why are you pushing it away? Leave behind your own deception and learn to live another day. There's a universe inside you, your galaxy of happiness. I just wanna help you find it, we'll explore in baby steps. There's a universe inside you, you've gotta give it room to breathe. So let the universe excite you, 'cause that's the way it's meant to be.
What I do is magic. I hop on the track and he get the spaz and rip and break the shit till I get the crack, and all hell breaks loose when I get the packet. Got flows all day, you can check my notes. No interruptions when I'm in my zone. You hate what is real, but you'll never know how real I get when I'm in control. Damn, it's back to the basics. Remember when I would be rapping in basements? Yeah, and now I skip bases. This be the shit that I do on a basis. Look, don't care about the placement, I could care less about me being famous. Hey, I do this myself and they all getting mad 'cause I don't know their faces. They want a feature and I want a check. Give me a brick and a bag on my neck. I need my girl to be whipping a vet and my ex to be bitter and live with regrets. I hit the bank with a smirk on my face and they getting mad 'cause I'm getting respect. So watch how I do it, my ethic is perfect. I'm working and earning, that be how I flex. Shout out the people that told me I wouldn't. Y'all are the reason I'm still making music. They tell me they hate when I step on the edge, but when I back up they just try to abuse me. It's so unamusing, and this is my void in a world full of hate, but the shit ain't confusing. Look, I don't really got a time for y'all. I promise you I'm not the type to fall. You're the type to go and drop the ball, and I'm the type to go and wreck them all. I don't mean to brag, but I'm too impatient. My old songs sound like it latest. In 2 years, tell me who's the greatest. I've been on the move, ain't no time for waiting. I've been on a new wave, making plans right now. Say my name, damn, that's another man down. Everyone around me want a man right now. Gotta stand right now for the fan right now. It's said and done, so now you know me. I do this all by my lonely. They used to hate me and now they own me. It's Cam Michael, one and only.
Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Up at night, ammo stacked, I can show 'em all. Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Me, myself, and I, fuck 'em, they ain't showing up. Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Up at night, ammo stacked, I can show 'em all. Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Me, myself, and I, fuck 'em, they ain't showing up.
I don't really got patience. Have you checked on my latest? Probably not, still sleeping on me. Man, I swear it's so basic. Euro trip making pesos. No sleep is how the pace goes. I just let the music take hold. When I drop a song, feel I make gold. Like, yeah, what you really want? Show you who's king in the land for the pawns. Let the phone ring, I've been making these songs. Gotta stay with the hype, nah, never gonna pause. You down for the cause, better hop on quick. So one day, get the world on my dick. So much more, don't care being rich. Want a real good life, my bomb ass bitch. Don't need no handouts, I make mine. No Rolex, I make time. I come through, get dapped up, chill a little bit, then say bye. That's true shit. Knew one day I'll do this. Drawing up my own blueprint, I cut them off. Ain't dragging if you a nuisance. My schedule tight, better hurry. I already got no time for the worries. Wanna judge me, better stand with the jury. Cause I murder every beat till they all gonna scurry. And I'm on that now. Better know what's up, bitch. I ain't saying that double. Fourth quarter, I'm coming down and picking up where y'all fumble.
Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Up at night, ammo stacked, I can show 'em all. Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Me, myself, and I, fuck 'em, they ain't showing up. Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Up at night, ammo stacked, I can show 'em all. Yeah, I built my legacy with no one. Me, myself, and I, fuck 'em, they ain't showing up.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me, will you ever trust? Give me more than just enough. I think I'm something you're missing in your life. You and me, no stress.